This is Helouise by Chloe. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful leather on this bag. It has got 4 studs on the base, and it's also got these fabulous plaited leather handles. So it's flat there where it would go either in the crook of your arm or on your shoulder. And there it's plaited. So to get an idea of the size, I'm a UK 8'10", I'm about 5'4", so that's the kind of size it is. So we've got the front here, the back, and there's sort of 3 sections in it really. If I do that, you can probably get a better idea. So there's a front, the middle, and the back. Both the front and the back, they both have zipped pockets. So that's that one. And that one. And then the centre section has a zip that goes all the way around. And you can see a nice big space in there. So it has got 1 zipped pocket and also 1 flat pocket. The inside, it's part leather lining, part pale fabric, so you can easily see inside. So let's just show you the Chloe markings. So we've got Chloe just there. And on the underneath of the handles, they each say Chloe. So I can show you those ones, get the right way around. One there and one there. And then of course on this giant zip pull, we've got it on the bottom there, Chloe. Really, really beautiful bag. It smells fantastic. That beautiful tan leather. Condition-wise, we've said that the exterior and the interior are very good, and we've called the hardware good, simply because it all just shows signs of wear. There's nothing major. There's just sort of perhaps marks on the leather, which to me add to the beauty of buying pre-loved leather. It isn't all pristine and what have you. It's just got these lovely markings on it, which just show a really beautiful aged leather bag. In the comments below, there was a link to our website. Whilst you're on our website, sign up to our free newsletter, because then we will send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. Also, follow us on Instagram. The link is in the comments below.